Health officials in the Gambia say they have identified 4 cough syrups imported from India that were responsible for the death of at least 70 children who suffered kidney failure last year. At a news conference, Health Minister Dr. Amadou Lamine Samate stated that there were deficiencies in the regulatory and import checks of the medications, beginning with the products not being registered with the West African country's Medical Control Agency, MCA. He said the head of the Medical Control Agency had been sacked while blaming the supervising pharmacist for authorizing the import of the medications without running adequate background checks. Following the death of at least 70 newborns, the Gambia ordered the recall of many cough and cold treatments as well as all goods manufactured by the India laboratory made in pharmaceuticals, from which the tainted syrups came last year. It then banned all products from the Indian company. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), lab tests found unacceptable amounts of diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol, which are commonly used as antifreeze and can be fatal when ingested. The World Health Organization also raised similar alarm in Cameroon and kept neighboring countries, including Nigeria, on alert to watch out for toxic cough syrups. The toxic impact of these substances include acute kidney injury, which may lead to death. Kamel Sadiq, CBA TV.